Yeah,
You,
like you said, just
yeah,
keeping reminding that you're still there, you're still doing it, and that.
yeah, exactly. I love it. Okay, so the problem with having a website that's not really built to convert, where you're looking at the Google Analytics, the traffic's there, the people are there, the calls are not, is you'll be making a big investment in marketing. Maybe you've invested into SEO, for a year, and you're number one in the local search results and things like that, and so you're getting all this traffic, but ultimately it's not converting. We're not in the business of traffic. It's a vanity metric. The reality is traffic doesn't matter at all. The only reason traffic matters is that it leads to sales. If the people just came and looked at it, then it wouldn't really make a difference. We're not influencers, we're business owners. So low ROI, obviously your return on investment is not going to be good. If you're not converting, it's going to result in parked vans and an empty schedule. And then this is a fail. So you're not generating enough leads for the investment, and you can't grow. If your marketing is not being spent efficiently, especially when you're smaller, when the dollars are a little bit more meaningful, each dollar, you do need to make it make sense. So how can we build a great website that is built to convert? Making sure that the goal is that you need to consistently convert visitors into callers or leads. So it could be not a caller because you need to have a lead form. And then we had a whole episode that went pretty in depth on lead forms about conversions and how do you, and the problem typical with lead forms. But you need to have the ability for people to call you, or the ability for them to fill out a lead form. And really, you should have the ability for them to text you as well. So we'll get into a little bit of and then have a bot. So kind of having a bot on the website, you can easily install that through Facebook, and then they have the ability to go ahead and type something there, or chat with you.
I kind of find those annoying, to be honest with you.
Yeah, they can be. It definitely needs to be something that if you have it, it's very clear and easy to X out of. You don't want to have one of those that's kind of hovering and following you around the website.
Yeah.
Because then it's, you're trying to read something and it's in front of it, and that's pretty obnoxious. But yeah, it's kind of about giving different, different people like to communicate in different ways. It's the same idea as different people are going to come through different funnels, kind of giving everyone the ability. Some people want to pick up the phone and call you, they do. And then some people, they don't, they're not interested. Web form submissions is a lot less popular than it used to be, but that's because the follow-up process is so terrible from most companies that most people just don't waste their time.
Okay.
So when you have a process set up there, it goes a long way to people who kind of thought that they were probably, throwing their message into a black hole there.